In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upscale a video from 7 to OP to stunning 4K quality.
Save your clip in After Effects. Go to Export, Add to Render Queue. Choose the correct FPS for your video. Under Format, always select QuickTime, then in Format Options, pick Apple ProRes 422 HQ. Hit Render. Now open Topaz Video AI, import your rendered video. Under Output, choose 2x Upscale. Turn on Enhancement. Set video type to Progressive. Choose AI Model, Proteus. Under Parameters, set it to Relative to Auto. Copy my exact settings. Encoder, ProRes. Codec, 422 HQ, Container, MOV. Finally, go to the top left Settings menu and apply the same setup. Then click Export and boom, your 1080p video is now in stunning 4K quality.